what's poppin'? How you doing? So in today's video, I'll be sharing guys some outfits that will go with this Balenciaga track 1. So I have gathered 5 outfits that I think that will go with this track shoes right here. This was actually sent to us and I'm gonna go ahead and leave their information down below so you guys can check them out too. If you guys want to be a bougie but on a budget, here we go. I got you. Like, look at the details of the shoes. Like, what? This thing is so heavy yet so comfortable. I love that for us. I also filmed myself real quick unboxing this shoe, so here we go. Hey guys, we got some package and we're about to open it. I already know what it is and I just want to share you guys my reaction because I am about to film a video where I style these. Okay. Are you ready? This is the fastest unboxing I've ever done. Okay. It has some dust bag. This thing is so heavy. This is nice. We love some chunky shoes. First impression, these deserve some montage. Here we go.
I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. And then somebody so messed up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Really, he fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. You say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping the thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen. Play this song for him.
Nice. Anyways, let me just show you what's inside of this bag. 2 other laces. I just have a white one and then this colorful ones which is yellow, black, and white. Super nice. And oh yeah, the dust bag, which I already showed you. That is pretty much it. Anyways, back to you, future Mikey. Well, thank you, past Mikey. I am now enjoying the shoes and I want you guys to check out the link down below because I think you guys would like it too. But yeah, I'm not gonna make this any longer. If you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. After this video, please comment down below what is your favorite outfits, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I honestly love all of them. But yeah, let me show you guys right now. video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. I'm telling you guys, the shoes though, fire. Anyways, before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Grr. Ah, what was that? Bye.